Na kebenta ban aya ke jing sekri sia lagi para mensim ka seng Society of Saint Vincent de Paul kebadon hajawai kalala ban pelipaj ba ya kejaka ajing sumar sia ki paj ba kathan ha ke ba ya kini kejaka ajing sumar la penia ja ke balang Katolik ya ke bala pensa nam ya ke kerteng jong riu khoj Saint Vincent de Paul ya ke bala ai kerteng Saint Vincent de Paul Health Center. Lawan ban pelipaj ba ada menteri jong sarkar jelau Konrad K Sangma haka jinya senranlang jong menteri ki kampoyeng uba Lakmen Rembui UMLA jong gemau senram uba HM Shangpliang UMLA jong ko Omroy uba George B Lengdo UMLA jong ko Jawai uba Wailat Miki Shela ki MDC jong ga JHADC ki nong yalam balang ki bakentup yau Archbishop jong Shillong Diocese Most Reverend Victor Lengdo Administrator jong Jawai Diocese Father Ferdinand Khar lembat kiwei. Uba thayang ulai uthu baya kene ka yeng ban ai jing sumar lachna ha ka jinglut ka ba sau phaulak tengka ha ka ba ar phaulak tengka la yo ka jingerap na ka Chief Minister Development Fund.
Not very big things, but of course every small thing matters, and I'm grateful and honored that you have called me to inaugurate this. Though it was a very small help, there was not much we could do. But whatever help we could provide, I'm happy to see that this road has come up. Even for the health center that we put up, we were able to give some amount for that.